Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. At least today and until tomorrow, we still greet each other a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Maligayang Pasko po at maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Purihin po natin ang Panginoon. We are now on the penultimate days of Christmas season because by tomorrow it's the feast of the baptism and liturgically the end of the Christmas season. And today, as I've said at the beginning, we celebrate today the feast, the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. And you might be wondering what I did after reading the Gospel. I proclaimed to you the announcement, or I announced to you the dates of the Easter season and the other important feasts of the Church, which we can all now put on our calendars and mark it as special days of the Church. Today is the feast of the solemnity, and I wish the solemnity of the Epiphany, and I would like to begin our reflection with a sharing from a very close brother priest of mine. He is a former companion in my past seminary assignment, and this brother priest, who is so warm and accommodating, at least to every people. Halos po karamihan ng mga kaibigan niya ay kakilala ko din. At hindi naman po namin maipagkakaila na madalas ay talagang napaka-busy naman po ng schedule ng isang pari. At kapag ang mga kaibigan po namin ay nag-aya sa party, sa kainan, sa isang simpleng bisita, dahil madalas nga po sa kabisihan ng aming schedule, this brother priest would always tell me or would always tell us, sisilip lang tayo at magpapakita lang tayo. Kung pupunta po kami sa event na yon, hindi naman po talaga kami magtatagal. Talagang magpapakita lang po kami o sisilip lang talaga kami. Hi, hello, and goodbye. That's it. Pero alam niyo po, kita po namin yung saya nung nag-imbita. At tarang masasabi nila, nagdito po kayo. Naisingit niyo po kami sa schedule ninyo. It's a reciprocal invitation and expression. Nagpakita kami at nasiyahan sila nung nakita nila kami. Kahit ba sinabi lang namin sa kanila, sisilip lang kami o magpapakita lang kami. We are used to call this Sunday as, and even greet each other, Happy Three Kings. But as a proper label from the books and even in the liturgy, we celebrate the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. Epiphany, manifestation, pagpapakita. All the while, the wise men thought that they will present themselves to the Lord and even present their gifts to the Lord. Pero doon po sila nagkakamali. The newborn King manifested Himself to them and even to the whole world. At ang akala ng mga pantas na sila ang maghahandog kay Jesus. Pero doon sila nagkakamali. Si Jesus ang nagpakita at ang naghandog ng kanyang sarili para sa kanila at para sa mundo. Saan po ba natin o paano po ba natin ginagamit ang salitang pagpapakita? Gaya nga po nung aking kwento kanina, Sinasabi natin ito kapag may nag-iimbita o may gusto po tayong makita. Magpapakita lang ako o magpapakita ako. O di kaya kapag may kaibigan po kayo, yung inyo pong asawa, yung inyo pong girlfriend o boyfriend, yung tatay mo o nanay mo o kung sino man, mayroon kayong kailangan pag-usapan. Mayroon po kayong kailangan ayusin. At hindi ito po pwede via technology, via messenger, or via chat. At ang sasabihin po ninyo, magkita tayo. I need to see you. My dear brothers and sisters, to say or express na magpapakita ako o magpapakita tayo would not only mean a meeting or to comply to a request, but to say that I will make myself available. Magpapakita ako is a sign and a gift of presence. Magpapakita ako dahil nandito ako. Dahil buhay ako. This is what we are celebrating. When Jesus was born, He chose not like to be others, who after being born and maybe while living, chose to be absent. But when the Lord was born, He manifested, He appeared, nagpakita siya para sabihin sa atin that I will always be here. Present ako sa inyo palagi. Because, my dear brothers and sisters, some people were born and opted to be absent. But take a look, my dear friends. Jesus was born and chose to be present until now. Dahil po may iba sa atin, ipinanganak, buhay nga, pero parang wala naman sa mundong ito. Hindi mo maramdaman. Buhay, pero ayaw magpakita. Humihinga, natibok ang puso, pero ayaw iparamdam ang kanyang sarili sa mga taong gusto siyang makita, sa mga taong nakakamiss na sa Kanya, sa mga taong gustong kumausap sa Kanya, sa mga taong gusto siyang damayan, sa mga taong gusto siyang makita din. The flesh appearance of Jesus may not be so visible to us today, unlike what they have seen 2,000 years ago. But His manifestation to the wise men, even to Herod, shall continue even today. Nagpapakita si Jesus dahil gusto niyang malaman na andito siya. He is here. Gusto din sabihin ni Jesus sa bawat isa sa atin, magpapakita ako sa inyo. Hindi lang para magpakita at para masabi, narito ako. But every epiphany will not only be a matter of appearance or presence. Pero sa bawat pagpapakita, mayroong ipinamamalas sa atin. Mayroon ding ibinibigay para sa atin. At ano po ang ipinamalas ni Jesus nung siya ay nagpakita? Yung kanyang pag-ibig sa buong mundo. From the story of the Magi, an inspiration to move on and move forward with hope in the next days of their lives. The presence of Christ hopefully may bring joy to each and every one of us. At ano pan pong mga bagay ang mga gusto natin. Kapag sinabi po natin sa isang tao na magpapakita ako with or even without something that we bring, we are offering that person an amount of joy and consolation. Dahil nagpakita ka, dahil narito ka. Kapag nagkatotoo ang request na magpakita, tiyak ako na talagang magpapasalamat tayo sa biyaya ng presensya. We are also grateful for what they will also share with us. Nagkita at nagbigay ng oras. Nagkita at nagbigay ng pakikinig sa kanila. Nagkita at nagbigay ng pag-asa. Nagkita at nagbigay ng kaliwanagan sa buhay ng bawat isa. My dear brothers and sisters, much as well when the Lord manifested to the Magi, and much as well when the Lord would manifest Himself to each and every one of us. He will simply not appear, but He is giving something to us. That I am a reminder, I am a message, that what I am now, I am also a gift for you. My dear friends, the Lord is manifesting Himself as well to us. The story of the Epiphany will not only end from Herod to the Magi and from the people there 2,000 years ago. But the story of the Epiphany will always resound even until now. He would not only appear to you, but He is also bringing gifts of joys for you. Magpapakita po siya sa atin para malaman natin na narito siya. Hindi siya mawawala. At magbubuhos siya ng grasya para sa atin habang panahon.